Avast. Ye be warned. You best start believing in real pirate outposts. Because you're in one. From our 3-foot bronze mermaid that embrace a haunting 8 by 12-foot towering skull and crossbone flag aglow. Armed to the nines, at the top of the deck below is Yellowbeard's real cannons on the ready. And beneath it all lies a hand-painted mural by Captain Johnny O himself. It's the Outpost Guardian, the Kraken. Surround yourself in authentic pirate history from the 1600s to the 1800s and leave with memories that will last a lifetime. Voted for over a decade in front of the masses as the People's Pirate, which makes Johnny O and Yellowbeard approachable, touchable, and unforgettable. They are the Captain and the Commodore.